My name is Bokan Lee. My student ZID is Z5499808. Hello everyone, today I will be presenting our experiment to study galaxy classification and the effect of environment on galaxy evolution. We understand the galaxy morphology and cosmic evolution by looking at the distribution of galaxies in galaxy cluster and Hubble Ultra Deep Sky Image. Our current understanding of galaxy formation began with the gravitational collapse of gas cloud in the early universe, forming stars and galaxies. The evolution of galaxies is strongly influenced by their environments. In dense environment, galaxies have stronger gravitational interactions with each other and tend to evolve into elliptical shapes, whereas in isolated environment, galaxies are more likely to remain in spiral and irregular forms. Star forming activities within galaxies diminishes over time, and the structure of galaxies stabilizes and ages. Okay, next is question 4 and 5 in the common Hercules cluster of galaxies. Spiral galaxies tend to be bluish white, indicating active star formation, while elliptical galaxies are reddish yellow in color and consist mainly of the older stars. Spiral galaxies are usually younger than elliptical galaxies, and the reddish spiral nuclear spheres and the bluish disk indicate more young star in the disks. In the NGC 6745 image, we see that the blue region represents young star formation, especially in the galaxy collision region. Intergalactic gravitational interactions compress gas and dust, triggering star formation, showing the impact of interactions on galaxies morphology and star formation. In problem 6, we select the galaxy cluster A, B, and C. Within each cluster, 20 galaxies were randomly selected for classification. The results are shown. Galaxy cluster A, elliptical galaxies are the most numerous within fewer spiral and irregular galaxies. Cluster B, more elliptical and irregular galaxies. Cluster C, spiral galaxies are the most numerous, followed by elliptical and irregular galaxies. In the Hubble Ultra Deep Sky image, we similarly satelliterize 20 galaxies, and the results show that there are more spirals and irregular galaxies and the fewest elliptical galaxies. This suggests that galaxy structure is more stable in isolated environments. To summarize, the higher number of the elliptical galaxies in the cluster environment shows that gravitational interactions between galaxies in dense environment are strong and tend to disrupt the spiral structure. In contrast, there are more sparse and irregular galaxies in isolated environments, suggesting that those galaxies are less disturbed and have been able to maintain their structure. Those observations suggest that dense environments are more likely to induce galaxy merger and morphological changes, while isolated environments have maintained spiral and irregular morphology. If observed again in 10 billion years, more elliptical galaxies may be seen because more spiral galaxies have evolved into elliptical over time due to mergers. I learned that environment has a significant effect on the morphology of galaxies, with dense environments promoting the formation of elliptical galaxies and isolated environments preserving spiral and irregular galaxies. Those observations helps us understand the evolutionary trend and the history of the universe.